May 1st, 2024. Update on the polar boat with the 16-foot steering wheel linkage. So I did pull this pin out from here, and I did stick it into this hole, and I did turn the steering wheel to the right, and it did come out like the YouTube video says. And when you push this pin, basically you're releasing a clip that is holding onto this notch area here. So my only next question is, if I keep on turning the steering wheel, or don't lose this clip, when I keep on steering this wheel, what's going to happen to the one with the blue tip? Because that is all covered up with plastic. And my new one, my new cable, and my new cable does have that plastic too, but I'm sure I'm going to have to take this plastic out to feed it, and then maybe put this back to protect it. And so I'm wondering if that will just come up by itself. So let me put the clip down so I don't lose it. This clip, that clip, don't lose it. Now I'm going to keep on turning the steering wheel to the right. So what's happening is, I think the other end of it that's traveling from that blue tip where my finger is going backwards. So I can't see that very well. But I do also have this thing here that I can screw out, and maybe I can uncover this to see that other end getting less and less. But it is coming out, and it is nice and oily in here, which I'm probably gonna have to add buy some grease that can handle all this corrosive ocean, like some kind of like water-based Teflon grease. That's that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see what's the next part.